Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial I will show you how to set whether the Remini app should preserve or erase photo metadata after saving. So just open the Remini app and go to the settings, which is in the top right corner. Scroll down a little bit and here you can find the enhancer preferences. Tap on it and here is the photo metadata button. Now it is, if we look at it, now for me the saved photos preserve the metadata, so the time and the location that they were taken. But if we click on this button here, then it means that it's disabled. If we click on it again, it's enabled again. That's basically it. I hope it helps and have a wonderful day.